These are the things you will need for this fringe earring. Your fabric. This is Africa fabric, also known as Ankara fabric. F6000 glue. Jewelry cap. Earring findings. Jump ring. Quilling tool. All these things are listed in the description below. And I will put the specific size you should buy. So guys, let's dive to this DIY. So what I will do first, I will just start cutting my fabric. This is 16 by 21. And this is the side you should cut. Then I will cut one, don't cut it to the end. And you cut it 1 centimeters. I'm cutting the two fabric together. Then after cutting, you separate it. You see, this is two fabric. Before I work on my fabric, I will first of all pass the earring findings through the cap. Then I will use my quilling tool to roll the fabric. My fringe earring is ready, so beautiful. I will leave it to dry. Bye guys, bye.